So you just signed up a new customer. The job's done now, right? Heck no. This is where you own your keep. The new customer onboarding process is probably the most important stage of the customer lifecycle. While it comes right at the beginning of their journey, it also sets the tone for their whole relationship with your company. Done well, it sets customers up for success and clearly demonstrates the value of your agency. Done poorly, it leaves customers questioning why they signed up with you in the first place. If we're meeting for the first time, where the heck have you been? Okay, just kidding. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Mick, CEO of Premier Strategy Box, and lover of all things RevOps, Sales Ops, Producer Development, and of course, my North Carolina Tar Heels. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit the like, the subscribe, and for instant notifications, hit that bell as well. Let's dive into new customer onboarding and what components you need client-facing and behind the scenes to wow your new customer. The very first thing that you should do is send a welcome email or video within the first 24 hours of sign up. Now, I personally prefer video, but at a minimum, you should send a written email. You want your new client to feel special. In this video or welcome email, you want to explain all of your social sites, service sites, or any other special technology that you have. And you also want to ask for Google and social reviews. Why? Because you should have just solved a major problem for your new customer, and the best time to give a review is immediately after a problem has been solved. The next part of this sequence is behind the scenes. 5 to 7 days post-close, you want to make sure that you have a task for your account manager or CSR to confirm that all the paperwork has been signed, the information has been processed by your carriers, and that there's nothing incorrect in your management system, CRM, or whatever database that you use. This is important because you don't want your new customer blindsided by any communications from your carriers. The third step in new customer onboarding is to have a personal welcome or check-in call 30 days post-bind. In this call, you want to confirm that the customer has received all their documentations, you want to thank them for their Google and social reviews, and you want to make sure that they have no questions about the process thus far. In this call, you also want to ask for a referral. This is important because new customers should be an ideal client, and ideal clients typically refer other ideal clients. The last step of the new customer onboarding process is to do a client review 60 to 45 days ahead of their first renewal. Just like the initial welcome call, you want to make sure that the client has no questions, and you also want to solidify and confirm their renewal with you. The ultimate goal of your new customer onboarding process is to set your customers up for long-term success with your agency right from the very start. For the first 4 steps I just outlined to you, you want to make sure that you're utilizing a CRM for communication and task. This allows for consistency and accountability. Check out our accountability and CRM videos in the sections below. In the comment section, let me know which of these steps you have in your current process and which ones you need to add. As always, if you found value in this video, please share it with a friend or colleague. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and for instant notifications for future videos like our renewal process, hit that bell as well. Speaking of our renewal process, that's the next stop on our RevOps tour, and I'll see you there shortly.